Honor 500 and Honor 500 Pro live images showcase two elegant colors, white and pink. Honor is expected to announce the Honor 500 series later this month in China. While the company is likely to start teasing its key features soon, a new leak from reliable tipster digital chat station has revealed the design of the Honor 500 series. The new lineup will sport a horizontal camera bar similar to the Apple iPhone Air and Google Pixel phones, and a flat display with rounded corners. The Honor 500 and 500 Pro will sport the same design, with the Pro having a triple camera setup on the back. The Honor 500 and 500 Pro feature a 6.5-inch OLED panel that supports a 1.5K resolution. The Pro version's rear camera setup may include a 200-megapixel main camera, an ultra-wide lens, and a 64-megapixel periscope telephoto camera. Honor 500 Pro will have a Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. Both phones will run on macOS 10-based Android 16. The Honor 400 Pro featured a 7,200 mAh battery. Support 80W charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.